In this video, nice. So of course we can, oh, look at all these lathes. Right then, I've got loads more tools I want to show you, which will come in another video very soon, including some more tools from Mart. Really excited to get them and show you. I'm sure you'll enjoy the video. But in the meantime, if you remember a while ago, I walked around Mart, just did a wander around. I was free on a Saturday morning, and they sent me that planer thicknesser that I did a review on a bit back. But they said, do you want to come down to the store, because we've got a few new offers on, and you might want to play around with a few tools. So of course, I said yes. Now this isn't a sponsored video and I haven't been given any tools in this video, but because I was given the planer thicknesser before, full transparency, that's why the icon's in the corner. Thank you so much for all the new subscribers. I think when I mentioned in the last video that you're watching on your big TV, you might not have been subscribed. So thanks for that. Again, if you are watching on your big TV, check you're subscribed, because I might just be coming through on your feed, or you might not want to be subscribed. Leave it to you. So some really good videos to come up. I've got some other tools as well, different brands. But for now, fellow sheddies and tool lovers, let's stop the waffle and get on with it. Hello sheddies, and you join me in Mart, Nottingham. And as I've always said, I do rate Mart anyway. I've been coming here for years. By the way, Nottingham is their head office where they do servicing as well. And as well as having a fantastic app, I'll put the link below, they've also got these amazing catalogues you can pick up for free. Vast amount of stock for all trades. And a massive thanks to Will, the manager there, and Adam for letting me walk around and chat to them, ask them a few questions. They didn't want to appear on camera, but not everybody wants to appear on YouTube. And talking about all trades, look at this, 250 amp massive battery charger. They also have these price crash offers. I mean, look at this 4-ton car body repair kit. This week's price crash, and this is why I'm trying to rush to get this video out, because there's a current offer on for loads of different tools. You can see it on their app and in store. That ends on the 22nd of July. But there's different offers that are coming out all the time, so it's worth checking on the app. Or you can ring store. I'll put the details below. This is the great thing about Mart. You can either go online if you know what you need, or go in store if you're unsure. Speaking to people like Will and Adam that have got vast amounts of experience and can advise you on what you might need that's suitable for you. And this might be more your style. Look at this toolbox. Proper old school. Felt lined, beautiful drawers, slide in and out really easily. Over center catches on top to hold the lid down. And at the side it's got the 2 handles as well, so you can lift it and move it around. And of course all the toolboxes in red, blue, and these are my favourite. Look at them, black and gold. Beautiful. And more price crash stuff. Here we go, generators. Save £84 on this Clark inverter generator, 2.2 kilowatts. And I had a look on the app, and there's also offers on at the minute for the garages, the Clark garages. You could also use as like pop-up workshops in your back garden. I know Matt from Badger Workshop did it. And there's also offers on for the tool chests and toolboxes. And there's also offers here, look, as well. We've got the retractable air hose, got the bobbin sander. And the other benefit of going in store, of course, is if you're unsure of something and you don't really like to ask, the guys at Mart understand this. If you're new to DIY or using a particular tool, they can advise you in the best way. Save £18 on this contractor cut-off saw, 2,400 watts. And of course, these are more job site tools because they're 110 volt. We've got a paddle mixer there, and they've also got a recip saw. Well, that's the thing about Mart, they cater for both. So we've got the DIY, the hobbyist, or the contractor. A selection of drill press vices. And if you notice, it says pay monthly all over the shelves. That is an option as well. Check on the link. And we've got this 1-ton arbor press. And there's a lot of tools I haven't filmed because I filmed it in the last video I did. And then we've got anvils, various vices, a good selection of them, cater for pretty much anybody. And they've got a huge selection of compressors. Some of them are in the offer that ends on the 22nd as well. Fans, 12-inch. And then we've got the big boy fans down here, look. For all this hot weather we've been having. And there's a pedestal fan as well. High velocity fans, 14-inch drum fan. Made by Clark. And if you didn't know already, Clark is Machine Mart's brand. Gardening gear, chainsaws, they're on offer. Hand tools for the garden, huge generator, 5.5 kVA diesel, big reduction in cost there. And then we've got speed clamps and normal clamps and the like. I didn't realise that Clark have their own speed clamps, or quick clamps, or whatever you want to call them. But they also stock other brands as well, like Irwin. Another thing about Machine Mart, they don't just stock their own brand. There's DeWalt, Erbauer, Evolution, and more. Nice selection of carpentry and joinery tools here, woodworking. With wooden handles, that's nice though, in a wooden box, drill bit set, or auger set. Chisel set. And a sharpening stone. Just under £24, including that. We've got the Vitrex tile cutter here. But we've also got the Clark tile cutter. Electric, of course, and it cuts up to a depth of 35mm. And then decorators, equipment, various spraying equipment, airless spray gun there. And if you're like me, we like picking up these tools from Lidl or Aldi or whatever when they come out, but obviously they end at a certain point. We can't get them. With Machine Mart, they've always got them in stock. And a big plus is when we need parts for these tools. I've seen in their instructions and manuals, it shows you all the components that make up the particular tool, and you can get them when you need them. We're into the air section, loads of air tools. Stanley and the Fat Max brand, toolboxes, varying sizes, and the compartment boxes as well, ideal for storing all your screws and nuts and bolts and hardware. And if you notice here, look, biscuit jointer by Hell, just under £72. Or do you need a safe for your workshop or your shed or your garage or your home or your business? Well, they've got a good range of them. Here's the compartment boxes by Stanley. And then look at this, a long bed air sander. Look at the size of that. And as I mentioned, loads more air products, paint spraying, air guns. The Clark X Pro reversible ratchet. Then there's the Clark air hammer. The cut-off tool. Die grinder. Little dinky mini one. And another air cut-off tool. And plenty of other air tools to cater for all your needs. It's pretty much a one-stop shop. I think the only thing they don't supply is the materials. However, they do supply nuts and bolts and the like when you need them. Look at the size of that pipe wrench. And loads of other hand tools which I've shown before. Varying sizes of trolleys, ideal for the workshop for moving your tools around. Caster wheels, varying sizes and designs. And workwear. Loads of work boots and loads of work clothing. Let's open up a few tools that I was interested in. Before I went into the store, I had a look on their app and I had a look on the What's New page. And one of them was this Clark PSW2 rechargeable hot stapler kit. It's for welding up bumpers and the like, but you can also weld other plastics. Like if you've got a crack in a bumper or any plastic, it reinforces it. And the reason I'm narrating over this now is because I didn't want to start talking over it in the store because you've got customers coming in and the like, and you don't want my big gob in the background. But this was in store. As you can see, you can adjust the head for those hard to reach areas. And if you don't understand the principle, you pretty much get one of the staples. There's different styles of staple. You go over the crack and it sort of staples it shut by heating it up so it actually melts into the plastic. And then you just snip off the tabs when you're finished. So as you can see, it comes in a beautiful case, nice foam to hold everything in place, get the charger with it, and these are the staples. That's one design. But as I said, I don't think it's just bumpers. I think anything that's broken or anything you want to connect together down a crack, or you want to join two pieces of plastic together, it reinforces the join and then you can sort of bond it afterwards. 400 staples in one charge, and it only takes 2 seconds to heat up. It's funny, when I was looking through this and I was filming it, it was strange not talking over. I really wanted to talk over like I do in the workshop. And I didn't take my mat with me. I should have took my mat. Here's the instructions. You can see how it fits onto the end. And then it heats up from there. And then you stick it into the plastic. You can see on there as well, like an exploded diagram of all the components. And there's the spec if you want it. 10 watts. Yeah, I don't think they appreciate me shouting next in the store. Anyway, that was $65.99 if you're interested. Next. Another one, but it's smaller. This one's $47.98. The code of it is PSW3. Slightly different. It hasn't got the adjustable head on it. Here's the instructions. There's the spec if you need them. Still in a nice box with a foam backing. Comes with staples as well, just not as many. Comes with a charger lead, and it's got an LED torch at the end, which is handy. Again, this is in their What's New section. It's worth actually checking in there just to see if there's anything that's come out that might appeal to you as well. To be honest, I could have looked through loads of their tools, but time was of the essence, so I had to look through one more. Next. The Clark Contractor 18-volt cordless nailer stapler. Now, Will didn't mind showing his hands, though. He didn't want to appear on camera, but he was helping me snip off the cable tie. As you can see, over-center catches on the front, and there it is. Manual instructions. Obviously comes with a battery and charger. It's got an LED light at the front, which is handy. I'm just trying out the battery there, but we'll try it out on a piece of wood. So you can see the LED torch. And at the side, it's got single fire and continuous fire switch lock. It uses 18 gauge nails and staples. Rubber on the handle. Adjuster knob at the front. Comes with a hanger in case you want to hang it on something. Easy to open magazine. Slot some nails in there. I think they're 20mm. Slot him in. Put the battery back in. And this is the only bit that I filmed with sound. Nice. So hopefully there's some stuff in there that might be of interest to you. Right, back to the shed and back to the trusty old Matt. Spectacles on. Whoop. Now, this is their catalogue, and I think the next one comes out in September. This is the spring-summer edition. All sorts in here. Oh, first thing I saw, look, where was it? Look at them. Ho, ho, ho. The tool chest is an offer on at the minute. Oh, you might like red. Proper shelving there, look. Just absolutely anything. Garage equipment, hydraulic pressers. Oh, that's another thing for the workshop. There's so much in there. Blast cabinets. Show you that in the store. I didn't talk about it. The sandblaster hopper. And there's the blast mediums as well. They had all them in store. Chargers, jump starts, trolley jacks, clamps, scroll saws, table saws, recep saws. Just endless. Lathes. And compressors, hand tools, pliers, sockets. There's the Clark compartment boxes. That's a nice handle on that, look. So, of course, we can... Oh, look at all these lathes. Beautiful hand tools. Trestles. Look at that. Clark woodworker. It's not bad. New as well. Emporium of tools. I don't think there's anywhere like Machine Mart. But let me know if there's anything you want to see in the flesh or in a video. And I'll ask Machine Mart if I can demo it in store. I don't think they want me to demo a lathe or anything like that. But let me know in the comments or any other comments you've got below. Here's all the depots all over the place. Same day call and collect and local deliveries. Apologies to you and Machine Mart if I got anything wrong in that video. There's a good chance I did, specification or terminology. But if you're unsure about anything, just go on their app and it will tell you everything you need to know. As I say, I've got some more tools I want to show you, and it's tool drop stuff as well. I'm tempted to show you now, but I'll leave it as a surprise for the next video. And I'll also do the prize draw in the next video as well. I say the next video, I've got loads banked up. Just not enough hours in the weekend. As I always say, I'm not an expert. These are just things I get up to the weekend in my shed. But if you've got any comments or thoughts, experiences, tool buying, whatever, stick them in the comments below. And give me a thumbs up, really helps. So much more to come on this channel. Thanks again. I'll put a link on the screen now to my other tool reviews. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Take care. And remember, keep calm and head to the shed. Cheers! See you next time on Weekend Shedhead.